Ny voninahitro tsy homeko ny hafa.
March 4th, Great Feast of YAHOSHUAH.
It's a celebration of the name that brings salvation,
YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH.
preached by the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH, Elia. The truly great and also very joyful thing is that Yahhoshua will surely come. The one who told you, never sin anymore, never sin anymore. And that is how we know the true Yahhoshua. No one else said this except Yahhoshua, preached by the ambassador of Yahhoshua, Elia. Come all and attend the Great Feast of Yahhoshua on the upcoming March 4th, 2025. Location: at the headquarters of the Church of Yahhoshua at Ambudapet and Tananarivo, Madagascar. To all human beings, wherever you are in the world, come to honor and celebrate your Creator,
YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH.
Ny voninahitro tsy homeko ny hafa.
March 4th, Great Feast of YAHOSHUAH.
It's a celebration of the name